In this video, we will use the weekly demo template to break down Honeycode's formula syntax showing the Findrow and Today functions. Let's start by viewing the app. The home screen has a pick list, Honeycode's version of a drop-down menu, that is set to show today's date or the next closest available date. For context, today is September 4th. To select a date in the past, you have to click on the pick list. This setting is a handy way to keep your app looking up to date and displaying the most current data to your users. Let's look at the builder to see how this is set up. The picklist display is set to the M schedule table. Picklists in apps, by default, show the first column of a Rowlink. So, this week text column is what is being presented in the app. The Data tab shows that the picklist is editable. This needs to be checked to give your app users the drop-down effect. The Set Initial Value field configures what will be displayed to the user when they land on the screen. This formula uses the Findrow and Today function, so that when the app user lands on the home screen, they see either today's date or the next available date in the future. Let's break down the syntax. Formulas always start with an equal sign. This tells Honeycode that everything that follows is part of the formula. The Findrow function is a more powerful version of a VLOOKUP. Instead of returning a single value like a VLOOKUP does, Honeycode's Findrow function returns a Rowlink, or an entire row of data. The Findrow function scans from top to bottom and returns the first Rowlink that matches whatever conditions are inside of the parentheses. Functions require parentheses to be activated, and they wrap around the conditions. Inside the parentheses, we always start with either the table or the filter formula. Then, optionally, you can add conditions and wrap them in quotes. The Today function doesn't take arguments, so its parentheses are left empty. In this case, Honeycode is being told to go to the M schedule table, then, once in the M schedule table, to scan the date column from top to bottom and return the first row whose date value is greater than or equal to today, which means find today's date, and if you don't find today's date, find the next available date in the future. So if today were September 5th, Honeycode would skip 8/21 and 9/4 and instead present September 18th in the app when the user first navigates to the home screen. Thanks for watching.